I'm Clark Patrick, and this is my new pro model board from Landyachtz. We designed this board to be good for all types of skating, from downhill to skate parks to just cruising the streets and popping ollies. It's 40.2 inches long, 8 plies of Canadian maple, 9.5 inches wide at its widest, and has wheelbase options of 21.1 to 21.5 depending on what trucks you put on it. It's an asymmetrical board. The nose is steeper than the tail is, just like a street deck. It's got wheel wells, so you don't get any wheel bite with big wheels. You can put downhill wheels, you can put small street wheels, kind of whatever you want. It has simple and mellow concave, like a street deck, so it's really comfortable to land tricks, but it also has enough concave for doing downhill and slides. My favorite part about this board is the convenience of just having one setup you can take anywhere. I can throw this in my car, I can get on the plane and know that wherever I go, it's going to be able to handle it. We've been working on this board for over a year now, and I'm really stoked to see what everyone does on it.